I'm just doing a little video of my beautiful new listing in the Willows. The birds sound just beautiful today. Such a pretty community. This is the rare home in the Willows, where they have taken out the wall in the kitchen and updated the whole kitchen with soft close cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Looks so good. Nice new floors. So clean in here. Oh my goodness, these guys have done so much work to get this home ready. Here's the master bedroom. A very nice updated bathroom with the floating cabinet and their adorable baby girl's room hand painted with love and cactuses. Cool plank wall here. Gosh, this is such a pretty house. I just hope that we get just the right buyer at just the right time.